the Burmese curly coily wig. So pretty out the box, but I just want to know if I can get these coils back at the end. To me, I feel like the coils are going to turn into spirals, but we'll see. You want to see if we can get these coils back. I wanted to just really test out this wig from Nadulahair. Burmese curly coily 7x5 closure wig. Coils at the end of the hair. It comes with pre-cut lace. Middle part, you can part it on the sides if you want to. Like, the curls are so pretty right out the box and so defined. I'm not going to switch the parting. I want to leave it right here, but it has the drawstring in the back so you can wear it glueless. Has this strap right here. I'm gonna tighten that one up. You guys know that this is one of my favorite curl patterns. I first introduced it I think a year ago or so, and I was so obsessed with it. It's just such a natural curl. Let me show you guys the back. It has a lot of bounce, a lot of movement. Just so pretty. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, make sure to go check out my content. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave me a comment and let me know, how is your summer going? What do you guys got going for the summer? Because I don't need to cut the lace or I don't need to tweeze the hairline or anything. Okay, I want to know, do you feel like this hairline is too thick? I've been sharing hairlines that look like this and some of you feel like it's bulky. I think personally it's not super pre-plucked, but it's pre-plucked enough. It has the ear area pretty good there on both sides, and it's very snug. As you can see, it's not moving just with the strap, that one strap alone. I have the drawstring in here too I can use actually. If you have not already went to my YouTube channel, I have a post on the community tab where you guys can leave me questions. I answered some questions that was already posted. You guys can still add on because I'm going to add it into upcoming videos. And it doesn't have to be about hair. It can be about lifestyle, exercise. I'm going to create some edges with this. Now edges also help with this type of wig because the closure stops about right here and then you get into the weft hair. Creating some edges at this part especially give it a more realistic look. You know how many times I done burnt myself with this hot comb? Like, it's ridiculous. I hate it so much. And creating edges is optional, but if you are trying to hide lace, I mean, this lace blends pretty well, but if you want to hide lace, you can create edges. They don't have to be thick. They can be light and wispy, or they can be thick and heavy, just whatever you personally like. I'm still going to use this. This has been a lifesaver. Like, I really like this product a lot. I've had it for a while and only used it a few times. I don't know if the formula is different. That's how long I've had it, but it still works really, really well. To melt the lace down, just to give a slight hold. It don't have that much of a hold. And just add a little bit there at that hairline. This makes a huge difference for me. I don't know why, but it does. I'm going to blend out that parting with some of this. They haven't bleached them at all, so I'm just adding to cover at this point. Just not too much. You just want to go very light with this, and I'm doing it while the product is still wet so they can blend together. And then just tie it down with the edge band. So I'm going to use two products. I'm going to use this for the curls and also this, some water. I'm gonna go in sections, so I want to see if this is actually going to work. I'm just going to break the curls up. There is no tangles in this hair, none. Like, look, I can run my fingers through it and it gets a little bit bigger. You can actually wear this straight out the box if you wanted to. Like, girl, look how gorgeous this is. A nice and even cut. That's rare to find. That's so rare to find sometimes. I am in love with this. I am in love with this. You don't have to take small sections. I'm spray it down with some water. And once you wet it, this is the time to decide whether or not you want your parting in the middle, because once the curls lock in, you don't want to disturb them. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Frizz Taming Cream, about that much. Rub it through the hair. This smells so good. Now the coils did instantly go away, okay? So they're not there right now. I'm gonna take some of this hair mousse and go over top, and I'm gonna repeat the same process throughout the entirety of the hair. Curl defining brush, rake that through. So we're gonna see if I can coil this back or if it's just gonna turn into a spiral. To know we can get it back, I'm gonna curl my brush. We're also just deciding which way you're gonna go, because you don't want to keep going changing directions. Oh yeah, let's do this top part. So it has a groove right here at the top. Let's see if I can lock that back in. I don't know, I guess we'll see when it dry. The top part of the brush and going downward like this gives a better curl to the end. I'm not even being funny. I can't finger coil with my fingers to save my life, okay? If y'all are dependent on my fingers to do it, it's not gonna get done. And I don't have the time. Like, I really don't have the time to sit here and curl little pieces of hair when this brush can do it in like 2 seconds. Feeding through this quite fast, you'll probably spend the same amount of time you would take to take a curling iron to your hair. With this, you don't need to redo it again throughout the week. This is a one and done for the week or 2 weeks or however long you plan on not washing your wig. Again, when you first get your curly styles, if you have been here long enough, you're probably gonna get tired of me saying this. Do not shampoo them. Conditioner wash only. Thank me later, okay? All right, I'm on my last section. It took me about 15 minutes to do this. You can let it air dry if you want to. I'm gonna diffuse it. But yeah, or you can take bigger sections. It's just up to you and what you wanna do. I'm getting a little bit of shedding from this hair, but not like horrible. It's kind of like that shedding that you get if the hair is dry. Breakage, just put it like this. I'm getting a little breakage because the hair was silky soft, but it was still dry. That's why I say when you get your wigs, your curly wigs, even if they feel good, go ahead and conditioner wash the hair. Don't go all week wearing it straight out the box because you're gonna regret it, especially if it's the color style. This is one of my pet peeves. I do not like the feel of wet hair. I hate it so much. Put up with it so that I can show you guys how to do your hair correctly. I do it for you guys. Anybody else like that? So random, right? Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse these curls on down, and I'm pretty sure because of all the product that I put on the hair, it's gonna give like that crunchy cast. It's okay, let it break down over a week or so. You don't, because the longer that crunch stay in the hair, the less frizz you're gonna have. All right, so you guys, look, it turned out so pretty. Like I said, I felt like the end result was gonna be a spiral at the end. I like to dry my curly wigs completely, especially in the summer heat. This is what the ends look like. It's still very pretty, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like in the sunlight. Let me show you the back. And it's a little uneven right now because we have some pieces that are still a bit damp and then other pieces that are dry, so don't worry about that. Again, this wig is from Nadulahair. I'm going to link it below in the description box for you guys, and I will also try to put the products that I use. Most of them are in the link in the description box, but if they're not, it's okay. You can let me know. I'll link it into the video somehow for you all. But yeah, I like this. I'm gonna show you what it looked like outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is what it looked like in the sunlight, and the sun is not directly on my head, but you guys can get a feel of what the color is like. Look how gorgeous that is. Gorgeous, right?